What's up, everybody? Glad you're here because today, we're diving into some powerful AI business ideas you don't want to miss. In this video, I'm showing you how to build your own AI business empire. We're diving deep into the world of AI and how you can create multiple income streams with AI in 2025. So, buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to take some notes because this is about to be wild. First up, we're talking about AI content creation. Everyone and their grandma needs content these days, right? Businesses, YouTubers, influencers, they're all desperate for articles, social media posts, scripts, you name it. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI are doing this right now, and people are making bank selling this AI-generated content. You could easily charge $100, $200, even $500 per article, and that's just the beginning. Think bigger. Write an ebook with AI, put it on Amazon, and watch the passive income roll in. Next up, we're diving into the world of AI chatbots, and let me tell you, this is where the real passive income magic happens. Businesses are drowning in customer questions and messages, right? Instead of hiring a whole team of people, they're turning to AI chatbots that can answer questions 24/7. Platforms like ChatFuel and ManyChat make it super easy, even if you don't know a single line of code. You build the chatbot once, set it up for a business, and boom, they're paying you a monthly fee for the service. Okay, I love making videos, but editing? It's the worst. But guess what? AI is changing the game. With AI video editing tools, you can literally edit videos 10 times faster than before. Tools like Descript and Pictory AI, they're like magic. Imagine creating entire YouTube videos with just a few clicks. That's the power of AI, and people are willing to pay big bucks for it. Alright, next up, we're talking about AI website building. I know what you're thinking. Building websites is hard, right? Wrong. AI is making it super simple. With platforms like Durable AI and Wix ADI, you can literally generate a professional-looking website in minutes. No coding, no headaches. It's like ordering a pizza, but instead of a pizza, you get a website. And the best part? You can sell these AI-built websites to businesses for thousands of dollars. Now, this next AI business idea is not for the faint of heart, but it has the potential to make you some serious bank. We're talking about AI trading bots. These bots use super smart algorithms to analyze the stock market and make trades automatically. So while you're sleeping, your AI bot is out there making you money. It's like having a personal stockbroker working for you 24/7. Platforms like Crypto Hopper and Trade Ideas are making it easier than ever to get started with AI trading, and trust me, this is just the beginning. Alright, let's talk about AI digital art. I'm not exactly Picasso, but with AI, anyone can create amazing art. Tools like Midjourney and dall-e are blowing people's minds with their ability to create stunning images from just a few words. And here's the cool part. You can sell this AI-generated art online. Print-on-demand platforms like Etsy and Redbubble are perfect for this. Design some cool t-shirts, posters, whatever, the possibilities are endless. Alright guys, those are just a few of the insane AI business ideas that are going to explode in 2025. AI is leveling the playing field, giving everyone the chance to build something huge. So, which AI business are you most hyped about? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, videos that show you how to make money, build businesses, and live your best life, make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because we're just getting started.